Yeah. All right. Wait, so you can see me, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So our power supply is a 750. I don't know, 750 watt.
Not bad.
Yeah. Okay, we got that. This is the motherboard. I don't know what it is.
Okay, I can see it now.
All right, cool.
Yeah, nice.
All right.
Energy Streaks was always really good.
Yeah. Hey, I won the lottery, boys. Won the lottery.
Very nice.
You see that shit? Oh, chat. Can you hear yourself, SME?
Yeah, I can hear myself a little bit, but it's whatever.
I'll point it to your. There we go. Okay. We're chilling. Okay. Here's our 5600X.
Nice.
So the bundle I bought from Ant Online came with the 3070, the 5600X, this trash mouse, a not so good keyboard, 3 months,
Okay.
3 months of Xbox Game Pass, and another PSU, 650. But I wanted something to last, so I bought a 750. So I'm gonna probably resell this one. 1 terabyte SSD for games, and then this one's for OS, the M.2.
Nice.
Oh, I need to get a screwdriver. Hold on, that's what I forgot. The case. We got the LAN-Cool Mesh 2.
Nice.
Yeah, in white. It's all white build. Oh, here's the AIO.
Yeah, those are really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a matching
Definitely good.
Lee and Lee one. Dude, it is so hot in Washington.
Yeah, I saw you guys are having a heat wave. You guys are having a Sacramento day over there.
Yeah, it's like,
That's every day in the summer over here.
bro, it's like 110. Where do I start? Linus Tech Tips. All right, PSU first, right? Ground ourselves.
Well, no, first you want to deal with everything on the motherboard.
I know, but we want to ground ourselves before we touch any motherboard components.
For sure.
Oh, also, I need to, if I flip this, so I brought up my old rig because I need the RAM.
Okay.
I didn't buy new RAM.
Okay, so you just gotta take it out of there.
Right. So I think first order of operations is we need to. Yeah, no shit. My package was delivered. I have it. We need to unscrew. Oh, that PC. Her name is Risa. You have to say it with an Asian accent.
Lisa?
Yeah, or else you're racist. Okay. I'm only gonna install 16 gigs on this PC for now until I buy new, because I want this PC to still be operational. SME, which one is on?
What is on?
Oh.
When the eye is down, that's on.
So it's off right now.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Read the motherboard manual as much as you can, but I'm assuring you, also got videos. Nah, I got an expert with me, cut. We have this. We can ground ourselves now to this. Grounded. Cool. Put this on the ground. Get ready to rock the gaming world with ROG Strix. Okay, man. Look at all these stickers. Wow. I think the first thing we do is install the CPU, yes?
Yeah, or the RAM, either one.
Okay.
You just need to do all motherboard stuff before you...
Wait, is this returned? Or is it always open like this?
I mean, I've seen both, but it's kind of weird that it is open.
Yeah, that's strange. Okay, how do I do it by not touching any of this stuff?
Just try and touch the bottom only.
Can I slide it out?
Yeah. Just do your best to try to... You can touch the bottom, but just try not to touch the top here.
I don't want to bend any of these pins. Ah. Oh, here we go. Hold it right in here. Or here. On top. Alright, there we go. Baggy over there. Can you see everything okay?
Yep.
Okay, there's ROG Strix thing. Did I pull this?
No, it's just, oh, you get the plastic. Yeah, you can pull it off.
Okay,
Yeah,
it looks like an LED strip thing.
yeah, then all the plastic should be able to come off.
Okay, so how do I do this?
So there should. Do you see a little rod next to the CPU holder on the motherboard?
Yeah.
That you can like lift up. Yeah. So you definitely want to lift that up first.
Okay, wait, let me get closer for you guys to see. Let me get a better angle. That's probably perfect. Okay. So I pull out.
You see that little rod? You want to unlock it, or if it's like latched, and like lift it upwards, so it's up.
Like that.
Yes, like that, exactly.
Okay.
Can you do it more, or is that as much as it goes?
All the way up?
Yeah, just do it all the way, as much as it can go.
Okay, I don't want to breathe on the pins or whatever.
And then, so there should be an arrow on the CPU and on the motherboard that shows you the orientations it's supposed to be lined up with. Like a little triangle.
I see it on the CPU, like down here in the bottom right.
Yeah.
But I don't see it on the motherboard.
If it doesn't show it, I'm guessing the manual shows it, but most motherboards do have a triangle on there.
Yeah, that's weird. I figured it would, but let us read the manual. Alright, I set it down.
Okay, perfect.
It looks lined up.
It's all secure?
No, I gotta push the thing down.
I mean, like, is it the pins all connected and all that?
I think so.
Okay, give it a nice little wiggle. Just a gentle one.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, then you should be able to push it down. It should be good.
I hear something.
Yeah. Keep pushing, keep pushing. It's gonna resist. It does resist.
What?
Yeah, just keep going. It's gonna resist. Keep going. And then put it under that notch again.
I did it.
Very good. Okay, next you can just do the RAM. That's easy.
Alright. That's tight enough for me.
Okay.
Okay. Got the SSD here. Where do I install it?
So that you see that gray, notch. That you're
Is it the
looking at?
top part?
Yeah, the top. And then 30 degrees, insert it.
It's about 30?
Yep.
Okay.
Just nudge it in there.
Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. Got it.
Okay. And then push down and get one of the screws that goes into that standoff to hold it down.
Yeah. I'll push it down. All right. I don't want to apply too much force. All right, there we go. Piece of dust. Okay. There we go. Now, this thing says remove, but it's like sticky under it, so I guess I just remove this.
And then you should be able to just put that thing back on top.
Yeah. It's all sticky. But wait, didn't it say to have one of these extra things? For single-sided M.2 SSD, stick this pad onto the existing M.2 pad. Is this a single slot? Single-sided?
I don't think you need that.
I don't think I need these extra stickers.
Yeah, I think you're okay.
Okay. Let me put this back on. Is that all lined up? Not feel lined up. What just happened?
Oh, is it stuck now?
Oh shit.
It's.
What the fuck is this stuff?
It is a sticker.
I'm trying to screw, not stick
Yeah,
you
I'm
on.
not sure why they have a sticker on here. I don't know why it's necessary.
Okay. Don't go anywhere, sticker. Screw it evenly. Oh my.
We good.
I had too much of a light hand there. Okay, there. All right, that looked pretty good.
Want them in,
Yeah, I'll probably do
soft
2 and 4 actually.
Okay.
So I pushed down equally, right?
Yeah, I think 2 and 4 is a better idea anyway, because if you have like a big cooler or something, it just gets...
Yeah, it gets in the way. It's not sticking. I mean, the thing's lined up.
Just gotta give it a nice old push. It's a little bit harder than you think.
All right, there we go. Clicked.
Okay, perfect.
All right, this one. Oh, I forgot to open it. I was like, what's happening? All right, there we go. Wait, what the? Oh. What is going on?
Just make sure you push it evenly.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
All right, clicked. This is so weird to grab. Oh wait, here.
There should be like a little notch in the middle-ish, and you want to line that up on the motherboard so it comes through it, and then put the I/O shield obviously as far as you can through the I/O shield.
Right. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Okay, I think it's sitting on the middle. Oh, I got it in. We set it.
It's all good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sick. Okay.
Alright, now you want to start screwing it in. So it's
Yeah.
phase.
Can you guys see the motherboard?
We can see just enough. Just enough. It's good enough.
Wait, hold on. Let's do this. I'm gonna move it so you guys can see like everything. There we go. That looks so sketchy. The iPad's actually about to fall in.
Gotta get those stream highlights.
Yeah, of course, of course. That'll do for now. Hold on, water. I need water. Can you guys see me?
Oh yeah, we can see the best part. Big catchy face.
Okay. My arm is getting so tired. Holy shit. Okay. Do we have enough room?
So I'm saying, do we have enough room?
I could put it in front here. Where it's really close. So it won't be in the middle. Is that okay? That should be okay. How the fuck do I screw this in?
So,
I know, but now my arm's really tired. We're gonna put the screws on top. There we go, so we can pick them up. Screwdriver on top. Okay, so we're gonna have it face a bit forward. Like this. So normally it should be in the middle, but the ram's in the way. So I push it over to the side.
Yeah, I think that's just how it's gotta be.
Yeah.
Your case is pretty thick. So.
Yeah, it's a thick boy, so we're chilling. Is that okay? Pixel says, yeah, that's cool. That's enough?
I mean, I would put just a little more. Pixel says put a thin line across, but yeah, he says that's fine.
Okay. I'll add a little bit more then.
Yeah, it was a pain. I had my rigid loop and I didn't put enough, and I had to take the whole thing apart just to put a little bit more. So it was like running so high, just idle. It was crazy, like in the 40s and 50s.
Okay, I squeezed a little bit too much more than I liked, but that's okay.
That's okay, yeah.
Okay.
Too much won't do anything. Too little will do anything.
Oh, fuck.
Harmful.
Okay. We take this off for now. I can't hook this side one. Dude, I'm not tall enough for this. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, I think I got it. You guys see?
Hold on one second. Oh yeah, we can see.
You can put it straight line. More paste doesn't hurt, but less will. I see. Yeah, there you go. No sponsorship. Fuck you.
Because those cables don't want to bend.
Ugh. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
You got it?
No, it's close though.
Okay, clean.
Yeah, some people call me a master.
The first PC build, he's already mastered it. Look at that.
SSD itself. Here's the one on the
that's the SATA cable that goes into the motherboard.
Let's see. So I plug this in, right? Okay, that one's in. Then, what's here? The motherboard?
Yeah, that's the SATA that goes right into the motherboard, your SSD.
I see.
I think your motherboard comes with that.
Oh shit. Was I supposed to do something with this?
Yeah, I think it's in there.
No, this is the lighting.
Oh. Your motherboard definitely should have those same cables. It connects the SSD to the motherboard so it can read information.
Should I use the L-shaped one in the SSD itself?
It depends on. Wait, can I see your SATA ports on your motherboard?
Sure.
Because some of them are facing up, some of them are facing right, so it depends.
Where is it?
Okay, I see them on the right. I think right there at the lower area. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I would use the L for your motherboard then.
The L for the motherboard?
Yeah, I think it's easier that way. 'Cause if you're
Oh,
gonna
I
stick
can feed
through
it this
there-
way.
Yeah, if you're gonna stick it through there.
Oh, wait. I got the 2x4 in, but I didn't get the 2x2. That's what was going on. Okay, I think I got it now. You can probably see it now.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
It looks lopsided.
I mean, I think it will because it's a separated cable rather than a single 2x4 cable.
I see. Wait, why won't it go? Alright, there we go. There's all three case fans.
Nice.
Now, we should put the AIO... We should put it all into the splitter stuff, so...
Yeah, put those two into the splitter and then put those two fans and you just put those in the CPU.
Okay, this needs to go to the back.
I actually don't see a back exhaust fan in this case. There's no fan,
No, I'm not using a back exhaust.
You're not? Okay.
Okay. So, splitter's on top now. That's for the when I put these in the back. So I can plug them in the back. So both fans have a normal fan jack thing, and that should go into this splitter. Oh, here. Can't wait to see. So that's one. And then this is two. And then I could plug this in.
Plug that into CPU fan.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have so much excess cable. I'm trying to think. That fan's on the left, right?
Yeah, I think it's also stuck with the radiator back in when you're ready.
Yeah.
See, SolidOil agrees to.
Okay, so that's in. Take these wires to the back. Oh wait, I should actually take this cable out. Oh fuck. I think I should feed it to the back first and then back in, I think. That works, right? That shit's gonna fall. How it's set up.
With the radiator?
No, the
Oh, the camera.
the camera.
Oh, well, I can't see beyond the camera. So.
Yeah, I know. It's just, trust me, it's about to fucking fall. So I need fucking water. How long have I been working on this thing?
Let's see how long we've been in this call. You started this call at 5:30. It's 9:30.
Dude. Wait, okay. That actually makes no sense. Oh, I did it! I think. No! You gotta be kidding me, bro.
Did you have it unplugged?
No. One of the things unplugged. Dude. I'm gonna... Dude. I'm gonna scream. Oh, they're like that because there's no standard layout for the motherboard? Okay, that's good to know. I need water. Okay, Bottom one's in,
Nice.
I think. Yeah. Wait. Wait, what? So the LED is positive, negative next to each other. Oh, I fucked up.
Yeah, they are next to each other.
Okay, resets in. Power switch. Dude, I'm the best in the fucking game. Let's go. Stupid cable. Hold on. Bro, this is scary.
I know. Gotta keep going till you hear the click.
What?
Keep pushing till you hear the click.
No way.
Keep pushing. Come on, Max.
Dude, it's gonna snap.
Push. Come on, Max. Push.
No way.
Push.
Dude, am I giving birth? What's happening?
Push, Max. Push.
Oh, it happened.
Okay, there we go. You gave birth. Nice.
Holy fuck. Okay. Alright, let's get these screws started. Oh, dude, my back fucking hurts. Okay, so if I want to take off this back plate and get a new one, I just take off this one.
Yeah.
Bro, just stay with me. There we go.
Very nice.
Alright. I don't know
Is
if
that
I want...
single cable?
Yeah, it's one cable.
Okay.
But it splits. Alright,
If
let's...
you see any performance problems, that's probably the first thing to look to.
Oh, you want a separate cable?
Yeah, if you see anything like high performance, you should probably use just double cable.
Okay.
But it will boot still with one.
I mean, I don't think mine came with anything other than that splitter cable.
Oh, it doesn't have a second one? Okay. Well, if you do notice anything wrong, then I think that's the first thing to look to.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Shall I fire it up?
A lot of people are popping up in your chat now that you're gonna boot it.
What's up?
A lot of people are popping up in your chat now that you're gonna boot it. So I'm pretty excited.
Oh no. Alright, let's try it. Okay, the back is all messy, by the way, but...
It's whatever. We can only see the...
Oh shit! Let's go! I'm the best in the game!
It's running.
The fans are going.
Yeah, everything's going.
The front RGB's not on. That's fine. But the fans are going.
The cooler looks nice. Like on the cooler itself.
Yeah, wait! We have it! Okay, what do I do? New CPU installed.
Yeah, that might actually be it.
Aha! Let there be light, bitches!
Oh, there we go. Easy.
Okay. So... Mode...
There we go. Now everything's clear.
Nice!
Now it's just only install Windows.
Yeah, I plugged in an extra SATA cable. So, you know how it's like, from the PSU, there's 3. I plugged one into the SSD that's stored down here. And then these are... What's it called? Wait, can I do custom lights? Like a custom hue? Or no?
I think you can, but you need to install the software in Windows, most likely.
Okay. Sounds good. But the problem is, this isn't custom. I can't customize this, I don't think. Because I have a controller. Oh, but I have a physical controller.
I think there might be drivers and software for it, though.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, okay. I don't know where that SATA even came from, to be honest, because it's just sticking out. Do we want it to be rainbow? I think just straight up... Okay, wait. What are the modes? Does this say? Oh, here. The Mesh 2. I want to see the list. This is actually just installation. Oh, here we go. Wait. Mode is the function. You can change the RPM of the fan. I want that shit cranked.
Loud as hell. Let's go.
Wait. Yeah, no, I think I did this all. Wait, did mine come with a fan extension board?
You should be able to control the fan curves also in the BIOS. Thanks.
Probably, but I want to see if they came... I didn't.
Like, you can do it for fan header that way, too.
You know, white looks kind of clean. It's like a blue. But purple, bro. Bro. That looks clean. Golden Dick the glass. Alright. Alright, so power cable. Oh, I can scoot this PC back a bit more. I don't know what this cable is. I could probably just put it in here because I have a hub. Flip it. Oh, that one is pushing. Okay. Here we go. Oh wait, I forgot to flip this switch.